Next, chapter number 10, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression we can call AP also. First, introduction. Sequence. Sequence, how to write? Sequence means what? Sequence. A group of numbers arranged in a particular rule that we can call sequence. Numbers used in sequence. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. These numbers we arranged in order wise that we can call sequence. What order is there? Here each number we added 2 here. These numbers we can call terms. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term and so on. Next, arithmetic progression. Progression means this sequence we have to arrange in order wise. Arithmetic progression as a sequence. Each number is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding number, except first number. Same. For example, first we have to take one number. A is one term. These numbers we can call terms also. First term A. Next term we have to add one fixed number. That fixed number I will take some D. Next third number, how it will come? One fixed number we have to add to the preceding term. What is the preceding term? A plus D is the preceding term to the third term. A plus D plus D. Next, here how to write? A plus 2D. Next, fourth term, how it will come? A plus 2D. Fixed term, we have to add. A plus 3D. And so on. Last term, how it will come? You should observe. This is first term. This is second term. This is third term. This is fourth term. And so on. Nth term, how to write? Here 1, here 2 minus 2. Here D, how many times came? Here second term is D, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1D. Here 3, third term is here 3 minus 1. 1 less. Third term is D values 2 it will come. Fourth term is D values 3. Here A is common. A, here A. Each term A is the common. Plus here D terms, how many it will come? Fourth term is 3 terms. Here nth term is N minus 1D will come. This is nth term of AP. Here A is nth term, An is nth term of AP. A is the first term, N is the number of terms and D is the common difference. Common difference, how to find out? Common difference means second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term. A2 minus A1. Here common difference. A3 minus A2. A4 minus, here common difference is same. So in this next exercise, we can use nth term of AP. This formula we can use first exercise and second exercise. Next exercise 10A. First main, first problem. The first term and common difference of an AP they have given. First term is 8. Common difference is minus 5. Here we have to find out AP. First term. A is equal to 8. Common difference is equal to minus 5 they have given. AP terms A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. So this we have to find out. First term A is equal to 8. Next A 8 plus D minus 5 is equal to 8 plus into minus 5. 8 minus 5 3 is equal to, here A value is 8 plus 2 of minus 5 is equal to 8 plus into minus 5 to 10 is equal to 8 minus 10 minus 2. Therefore, AP is 8, 3, minus 2, and so on. Next, first main, B problem. Is minus 8, minus 8, minus 8, minus 8 is an AP. This series is an AP or not? AP means how to find out common difference is same. Here A is equal, first term is minus 8. Common difference, second term minus first term. A2 minus A1. Here second term is minus 8. Here minus, first term is minus 8. Minus 8, minus into minus plus 8. 0. Next, common difference. A3 minus A2. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Here A3 minus 8. Here A1, A2, A3 and A4 and so on. Minus of A2 minus 8 is equal to minus 8, minus into minus plus 8, 0. Here fourth term also is there. A4 minus A3 is equal to, A4 term is minus 8 minus A3 term is minus 8. Minus 8, minus into minus plus 8. Cancel, 0. Common difference you should observe 0, 0, 0. So this series is an AP. Next problem, first main C problem. The 15th term of the AP series they have given 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6. First 15th term. 15th term is A, n formula we have to use. A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n value they have given. A15 is equal to A plus n value is 15 minus 1 into D. A plus 15 minus 1, 14 D. A15, 1 less it will come. Here A value, D value we have to find out from series. A value how to find out? First term is the A. A equal to 3. Next, D value how to find out? D is the common difference. Second term minus first term. What is the second term here? 0 is the second term minus first term is 3. Minus 3. Common difference is minus 3. First term is 3. Substitute in this equation. Equation 1. A15 is equal to A plus 14D. A value 3 plus 14 of minus 3. D value 3 plus into minus minus. 3 4 ja 12, 3 1 ja 3, 4, 42. Here 3 minus 42 minus 39. A 15th term is minus 39. Next problem, first main E problem. In the AP series they have given 8, 13, 18 and so on. Nth term is 83. So nth term is what we can write? An is equal to 83 they have given. Here we have to find out n value. So An formula, nth term of AP formula we have to write here. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 83. Here A value, D value we don't know. We have to write from series. A value, D value how to write from series? First term is A. 8 is the first term. Next common difference how to write? Second term minus first term. What is the second term? 13 is the second term minus this is the first term. Here 13 minus 8. 5 it will come. Substitute A value, D value in this formula. A value is 8 plus n minus 1 into D value is 5 is equal to 83. Here simplification we have to do. First 8 we have to send right side. N minus 1 into 5 equal to 83 minus 8. N minus 1 into 5 is equal to 83 minus 8. Here 13 minus 8, 5. Here 7 it will come. Next 5 we have to shift right side. N minus 1 is equal to 75 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 5 jas. N minus 1 is equal to 15. N is equal to minus 1 we have to shift right side. 15 plus 1. N is equal to 16.